Tano, can you hear me, Bob?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, loud and clear.
Awesome, guys. Well, definitely a pleasure to be with you on this call tonight. Wherever you're calling in from, I know it is a Sunday, guys, so you being here shows that you're looking to really, transform your life and learn about what we have going on to, improve in a positive manner in many aspects. Financially, of course, one of them, but also mentally, spiritually, whatever the case may be for you. So definitely excited to be here with you guys. Let me know real quick if you guys could see my screen. If someone give me a thumbs up, that would be awesome, just to make sure that looks good. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys, like I said, being on time. For those of you who do not know who I am, like Jay just said, my name is Anthony Napolitano. Been blessed to be in this industry now for almost a decade. Kind of crazy how time flies, but it's truly changed my life because it gave me education that I would have never got as an average person. And that's really key, guys. Education can lead to compensation and can really transform your life in a positive manner. I think the lack of education from the average American is why they are the average American, right? It's as simple as that. So it's a pleasure to be here. Whoever invited you, if it was a friend, family member, myself personally, thank them for doing so because they're actually looking out for your best interests. And guys, I'm going to dive into the information, really show you what we do, how it works, and how it could positively impact your life. So as you guys can see, the company is actually called iGenius, and the slogan is Be Brilliant. What does that actually mean? It means thinking outside the box. We don't want to think like the average person because we're looking for above average results. So changing the way of thinking can really change your life in a positive manner. From here, guys, the problem in the world today is that most people are financially sick. Even the people that make a lot of money truly do not understand what to do with their money to be successful long-term. And we see this all the time with athletes, entertainers, people that make multi-million dollars end up going broke every single day. And it's because as a society, we lack financial literacy. Were you guys taught about taxes or investing or all these things in school? Do you guys remember being taught about that stuff? Because I sure wasn't, right? They didn't teach me about that stuff, but that stuff plays a huge role in your life. So as a society, we're financially sick. Another statistic that shows this, guys, is that 95% of Americans who actually win the lottery file bankruptcy. You guys heard what I just said? 95% of Americans who win the lottery file bankruptcy. Meaning I could give all of you guys on this call millions and millions of dollars. Most of you will come back in a couple of years completely broke because it's not just that you lack financial, money in a sense, but you also lack the education to be successful long-term. So that's a major problem. We are the solution to that problem. How are we the solution? We provide education, research, tools, and opportunities for people to take control of their lives. I like to say with the system we have, guys, we give access to information that is typically only available to the top 5% of the world, the wealthy in the society, to the average person, okay? We all know, guys, hard work doesn't always equal big checks, correct? Would you guys agree with that? You can work hard and still not be extremely wealthy. I give you guys an example. I live in South Florida. It is extremely hot every single day of the year, you guys could imagine. And there's guys out there doing yard work every single day. They're cutting grass, fixing sprinkler heads. They're working their butt off. And none of you guys can tell me on this call tonight that that's not hard work. Trust me, that's hard work. But will you ever make $1 million a year cutting grass, guys? You won't, okay? So understand, yes, hard work is important. You want to have ambition. You want to have work ethic, but that hard work and that ambition has to be in the right vehicle to truly change your life. And I can tell you, most people are not where they want to be financially because the lack of education and understanding truly what to do to get to where they want to be. And we're to be that solution to that problem, guys. Our company is actually owned by a publicly traded company called InvestView. So this is a big deal. For those of you who are new tonight, that's like, is this thing legitimate? Is this thing real? Guys, we're owned by a publicly traded company. You could go see our company's financials. You could see everything about us, which is pretty cool. You guys can also be equity owners in our company. You could buy stock in our company the same way you buy stock of Tesla and Apple and the biggest companies in the world. You guys can actually own part of this company as well if you own equity of InvestView, which is pretty cool. Also, guys, we have an A+ rating at the Better Business Bureau. That just shows you how we handle our customers. You guys would all agree with me. If you do not give your customers a good experience, they're not going to come back. So we pride ourselves in giving our customers the best experience possible with our platform. Our business is a global business, guys. We actually have customers in over 70 countries around the world today. Our main iGenius headquarters is located in Utah. We also have our public company InvestView. Their main headquarters is located in New Jersey. And then we also have an office in the EU for the European Union for that market, guys. So we're a global business. It doesn't matter really what language you speak, where you come from, your previous life experience. We're a melting pot of people coming together for the same common purpose of taking control of our financial futures. From here, the educational products that we actually provide at iGenius: Learn Live, University, Market Pro, and Money Pro. Learn Live is actually a full suite of live educators, guys, that basically go on and trade in front of you. So they'll get on, they trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, and traditional equities live, where you can actually get on with these professionals, learn their strategies, learn their technique, learn exactly what they're doing to have success in the financial markets, and how you can take their information and their knowledge and develop those skills for yourself. There's also the potential to probably earn while you learn, which is really cool, because they're actually going to be calling out trades with you as well, saying, hey, buy this stock, hey, buy this currency, we're doing this live trade because of this, this, and that, right? So it's a really, really cool concept. Me personally, it's one of my favorite educational products because I get distracted very, very easily. I don't know about you guys, but my phone is literally going off all day long. There's like a billion things going on in my life every single day, where I could ask a professional a question in real time and get a real-time response. It's very, very beneficial for my education and my learning. So I like Learn Live. University is a full suite of educational videos, guys, on all three major financial markets. And you guys are going to hear that over and over. We cover all three major financial markets with all of our services, but you have a full suite of educational videos on the stock market, the Forex market, and the cryptocurrency market, where you guys can start with the basic videos and really work your way up through intermediate and advanced courses. Guys, I can tell you it's very dumbed down for the average person to start learning. I can tell you, if you go like to the equities market, which we call the stock market, right? You go to the beginning videos, it'll be like, the stock market was created in this year. This is what a stock is. It's very, very simple. So you guys can actually learn at your own pace and develop the skills. And guys, we all know, traditionally, the more skills you have in life, the more money you make. Would you guys agree with that? Everyone agreeing with that? Okay, you go to school to get educated, to get a piece of paper that says you have a skill set to get hired. Okay, wouldn't it be nice to develop a skill set where you can make money from a smartphone or a laptop anywhere in the world? Would you guys agree with that? That'd be a pretty cool skill set to have. And I'm not going to say all of you guys are going to become professional day traders by any means. Less than 1% of the world's population are professional day traders. But if you're trying to develop a skill set and you are serious about it, the university is a great place to go. Market Pro is another great financial market product. There's education on all three major financial markets with this product as well. There's also individual courses. There's also live trading analysis and news and everything to help you actually with your trading. So it's a very cool product, and it's in over 15 different languages. There's also Money Pro, which is basically education on money management. Ross Jardine, America's money mentor and best-selling author, created this product for us to teach people how to become more financially literate. If I ask you guys right now, how much a month do you spend on gas, or how much a month do you spend on groceries? Could you honestly tell me? And if you guys, do you know exactly what's going on? Because they say actually statistics show 9 out of 10 Americans have no idea if you ask them that question. So wouldn't it be smart to start setting budgets and living within your means so you have additional money to invest and to do other things with to better your future? So the whole goal with this product, guys, is to teach you how to have more money at the end of each month instead of more month at the end of your money. That's the philosophy here to help you guys start really building wealth. So those are some of the educational products we provide at iGenius. From here, guys, like I said, you're going to hear it over and over again. The three major markets that we are in as a company are the Forex market, the traditional equities market, and the cryptocurrency market. From here, the Forex market is actually the world's largest financial market. It actually does about $5 to $6 trillion a day in volume, which is pretty insane if you guys think about it. It's made of all the world's centralized currencies, like the US dollar, the euro, the pound, the peso, the yen, whatever the case may be. All we're doing is buying one currency against another currency, predicting one's going to go up or down in value and making money in the movement. So for example, I live in South Florida. Of course, most of you on this call probably live in the United States of America. You guys know we use the US dollar. But let's just say I got on a plane tonight and I decided to go to Mexico, right? In Mexico, they don't use the dollar, they use the peso. So when I land in Mexico, you guys have probably seen, if you ever traveled outside the country before, in the airport, the booths that say foreign exchange. I'd go to that booth and I'd exchange my US dollars for pesos. When I do that, there's an exchange rate, right? When the conversion happens, that exchange rate actually moves 24/7, 5.5 days a week, and people make money in the movement all day long. That is the Forex market in a nutshell. But instead of us having to physically go buy a bunch of US dollars and physically go buy another currency and swap it and all that stuff, we could do it all online through brokers today, right on our smartphones, which is pretty powerful. Our Forex educational product suite is called FOREXthrive, and it's made of two different strategies, FX Pro and Binary Pro. FX Pro is traditional Forex trading. Binary Pro is binary options, another form of Forex trading. But with these two different strategies, we have trade alerts, education, and boot camps for them. One of my favorite services are our trade alerts. We as a company, iGenius, guys, has over 25 traders on staff that work full-time. And all they do is analyze the market. They're studying charts all day long, looking for opportunities to make money. And instead of just taking those opportunities for themselves when they see it, they actually send our members push notifications directly to their smartphones. Hey, buy this stock. Hey, buy this currency. This is why we're doing it, with a full analysis. And we have the ability to copy and paste their information and get the same exact result. Is that pretty cool, guys? Very simple, about 30 seconds, copy and paste. If you can send a text message, you can literally do this. And I can tell you guys, most people never get involved in the financial markets because of fear of losing money and having no clue where to start. Isn't that pretty cool? If you guys got involved in iGenius today, literally tomorrow, you wouldn't have to be going off of your own knowledge. You could literally leverage a seasoned professional to get their results your first day. It's a very, very unique concept. And if you guys see their historic track record, it's very, very impressive. Of course, we can't make promises, guarantees, or claims, but if you look at the historic numbers, very, very powerful stuff there. From here, guys, we also dabble in the equities market. This is the market that most Americans are familiar with. You probably heard of Wall Street before, the buying and selling of companies. This is the most common market for, most Americans. From here, we have 3 different strategies in the equities market: Trend Pro, Portfolio Pro, and Options Pro. Trend Pro is a strategy where we trade ETFs. Portfolio Pro is the strategy where we trade stocks. And Options Pro is a strategy where we trade options, the buying and selling of contracts, one of the hottest ways of trading in the equities market. But these 3 different strategies provide trade alerts, boot camps, and education for them as well. From here, guys, of course, we also dabble in the cryptocurrency market. And the cryptocurrency market is probably one of the hottest financial markets on the planet today. And it was actually the only financial market that was created in our lifetime. The Forex market and the traditional equities market, guys, were here way before any of us were born. This market was born basically 12 years ago. So pretty cool concept. And this is basically digital assets. So Forex, centralized currencies like the US dollar, the euro, the pound, the peso, the yen, we could touch and feel them, right? We could physically touch a US dollar. These assets are completely digital, but the same exact philosophy that applies to the Forex market and how we trade is the same thing we do in the cryptocurrency market. So instead of buying the US dollar to the euro, right, and making a trade, we're basically buying Bitcoin to another cryptocurrency, Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum to DOT, whatever the case may be, right? We're just buying one cryptocurrency versus another cryptocurrency, predicting one's going to go up or down in value and making money on the movement. From here, guys, our product for the cryptocurrency market is called Crypto Core. It's made up of trade alerts, boot camps, and education for the cryptocurrency space. So I touched on 3 different educational products, guys, that come with trade alerts, like I said, boot camps, and education for the equities market, the Forex market, and the cryptocurrency market, which are great products. Honestly, guys, if you want to follow the trade alerts, maybe it'll take you 10 minutes a week. It does not take much time. But let's just say you're a person who doesn't want to educate yourself. You really don't want to develop a new skill. You really don't want to touch your cell phone, or maybe you can't even touch your cell phone because your job requires you not to be on it, whatever the case may be. This is a very exciting product. It is actually called Crypto Elite, and it's powered by a third-party company, a company called Endotech, which is a leader in AI technologies. They've actually created softwares in the cryptocurrency space, guys, that trade completely automated. Okay, basically, it's, like I said, artificial intelligence and machine learning working for you 24/7, 7 days a week. And the reason I say 24/7, 7 days of the week is because the cryptocurrency market never closes. It's not like the stock market or the Forex market. It never closes. It's always open. But basically what this technology does is it's learning from past events that have happened in the market on how to take advantage of future events when they occur. It's very, very powerful, guys. But this system that we're actually getting access to is typically only for institutional customers, the wealthy of our society, and typically major funds, right? Not even individuals. The softwares that our members are getting access to with this product, if you guys go to Endotech's website right now, they cost people $125,000 a year to license them. But as an iGenius customer, you get access to these services, which is just insane. One of our member benefits that people get with our platform. And I'm going to show you how simple and how convenient this actually works for you. So you guys can see, basically, you create your own exchange account. You can create an account with a Binance, a Gemini, whatever, a Coinbase Pro, whatever exchange you want to use. All you do is link this technology through an API key. It takes probably 10 to 15 minutes at the max to do, and then the technology can work for you. You can turn the technology on and off whenever you want. You can withdraw your money at any time. You're in full custody of your funds. Guys, if you see something online that says, hey, send us your money, we're going to give you money back for it, guys, please do not do that kind of stuff. You're getting scammed by someone online. This is a real product where you're actually in full custody. You could take your money out whenever you want. All you're doing is leveraging a software that can work for you. So definitely be wary of that stuff, guys, because I know there's a lot of things online that are very sketchy, but this is the real deal. You guys can even go to endotech.io, okay? You can go to their website and you can see the entire trade history of these services. And guys, these different strategies that we have access to, they've all been trading live since January of 2018. You can see every single trade documented on a website, which is very, very powerful. And guys, this is truly the key in building wealth. Would you guys agree leverage is the key of building wealth? Do you guys all agree with that? I'm trying to look for some of your heads to shake. I'm looking at the cameras real quick. Yeah, right? Leverage is the key. What do wealthy people do? They leverage people and they leverage money. What does the average American do? They get leveraged, right? They go home, work, home, work, home. They do a lot of homework. They trade hours for dollars. And there's nothing wrong with that, guys, but understand you can never truly become wealthy doing that because there's only so many hours in the day. So you got to find ways to have your money making you money when you're not applying effort. Wouldn't it be nice if you go to work tomorrow? Let's just say you go to work tomorrow and you have this software set up and you have the potential to be making money with this software while you're at work. Is that a pretty cool concept? Not requiring any time or any energy. That is how the wealthy do it, guys. Trust me, Warren Buffett does not have a job. Jay-Z does not have a job. Donald Trump does not have a job. He does not have a job. Okay? Understand the wealthiest people in our society don't have jobs. They have their money work for them and they have people work for them. That's what we all have to do. From here, guys, you also get access to the Sequelizer technology. This is extremely powerful. If you are a trader, it can be a great indicator for your trading. It actually helps you identify market breakouts. And it's a technical strategy that can be used for all three major financial markets. From here, you also get lifestyle benefits with our platform. Like I talked about earlier, one of our third-party benefits is getting access to Endotech's software, okay, which is very, very cool through that product Crypto Elite that we just talked about. There's also these two other companies that we have a unique relationship with that you have access to their services. One of them is called Travel Pro, powered by Wonderlist Travel, and the other one is Wallet Pro, powered by COINZOOM. From here, guys, you can actually see we have a full suite travel portal that we have access to through Wonderlist Travel with discounts on flights, cruises, hotels, car rentals, anything you guys could possibly think of travel, we have discounts for. Here's an example of a discount. This is a 5-star hotel, One Hotel South Beach. You guys can actually see right here that night, hotels.com, the price was $439. Travelocity was $439. Our price was $366. That's a $73 per night savings. Now imagine, a 3, 4, 5 night stay. That's hundreds of dollars back in your pocket that you didn't even know you had. That could be now put towards an investment or something to better your future. That's what we're trying to do, guys. From here, you can see a discount on a flight. Not $1 million, guys. It's $30. But guess what? That's your lunch in the airport that day. Instead of having to pay, or have additional money come out of your pocket, now you have money for lunch that day. Every dollar means something. And a lot of you guys are probably asking yourself, we're talking about financial education. We're talking about crypto, AI software. How does this all come together? Well, guys, typically, would you guys agree with me? Typically, the more money someone makes, the more money they spend. Would you guys agree with that? Because in our society, that's how it's historically went. The more money people are making, the more money they are spending. We want to teach you guys, of course, how to make more money, but also become financially literate with your money and make good decisions to better your future long term. From here, guys, Wallet Pro, like I talked about a minute ago, is powered by a company called COINZOOM. And what COINZOOM actually did is kind of revolutionize the traditional banking industry. All of you guys probably have many apps on your phone, such as a Bank of America, a Wells Fargo, a Chase, somewhere where you hold your US dollars. You probably have apps where you send money digitally, such as like a PayPal, Cash App, a Venmo, a Skrill. You probably have apps where you hold your cryptocurrencies, like a Coinbase, a Binance, a Gemini, some exchange or ledger where you hold your crypto. Would you guys agree with me? The banking world is very complex today. There's probably like 100 apps on all of our phones that we could have money in. So what COINZOOM did is they built a platform where we can have all our money within the same umbrella, meaning we can have our US dollars, our Bitcoin, our Ethereum, whatever the case may be. We could instantly transfer between currencies in real time, and we could even spend any currency in their platform on a Visa debit card. And you guys can see my COINZOOM Black card right here. I could spend Bitcoin on this card. I could spend Ethereum on this card. I could spend any crypto within their whole system on this card. I could spend US dollars on this card. And literally, guys, I could pick and choose between which currency I want to spend in real time. I could literally log into my app and say, hey, pull from my Bitcoin wallet. Hey, pull from my Ethereum wallet. Hey, pull from my USD balance. Literally anywhere Visa is accepted, this card works. And you guys know Visa is the most accepted merchant in the entire world today. Over 53 million merchants actually accept Visa, which is pretty insane. But there's a lot of unique benefits with this platform. This card specifically is a black card. And with this one, I could actually go to an ATM and take out $10,000 a day. My daily limit at ATM is $10,000. You guys know with your Wells Fargo or your Bank of America, it's $300 to $500 a day. That's what a debit card would do for you. This card, I could take out $10,000 a day. Also, if you're a black card holder and have the requirements met, like I do myself, I actually get 5% cash back every time I swipe in real time. Your credit card from your bank maybe does like 1.5% on gas, right? Like that's it. They don't give you money for anything else. I get 5% every time I swipe the card, no matter what I'm buying. So there's a lot of cool features, guys. There's also a feature called Zoom Me, where we can send money peer-to-peer, kind of like a PayPal feature built into it, where we can send money peer-to-peer to anyone with the platform for no fees at all. A lot of really, really cool stuff. There's a full functional cryptocurrency exchange as well, guys. From here, you guys can see the benefits, the different card levels. The elite membership is the most commonly purchased membership at iGenius, and you also get the black card in that membership. And I'll go more into it, but like I said, $10,000 daily ATM withdrawal limit, 50% off trading fees, 5% cash back if the requirements are met, a lot of unique benefits. From here, guys, we always talk about legality stuff because we are a publicly traded company and we do take this stuff very, very serious. iGenius is not a registered investment advisor. We're not a broker dealer. All we do is provide education. And of course, guys, with any of our services, past performance is never indicative of future returns. I can't, basically say because something's done something historically, it's going to do in the future. I can't make that claim. I can share with you our system and the historic results, and you can make your own educated decision if this is something you want to be a part of. So now let's talk about the ways to get started. So I talked about a lot of cool services, a lot of value within our system, but how do you start taking advantage of it? Well, you see there's three main memberships: Select, Premium, and Elite. The Select membership is a one-time purchase of $300. The Premium is a one-time purchase of $600, and the Elite is a one-time purchase of $1,500. Well, what is the differences between the memberships? As you guys can see, all of our memberships come with NDAO access, and I'll talk about that a little later. But as you can see right here, you get the University, Learn Live, Money Pro, Market Pro, our Forex educational products with FX Pro and Binary Pro, commodity trade alerts, our cryptocurrency educational products we call Crypto Core. You get Travel Pro powered by Wonderlist Travel with the discounts on flights, cruises, hotels, car rentals, everything travel. And you get that equalizer technology, which basically could be an indicator for your trading, helping you identify market breakouts. All that comes in the Select membership. You also get the gold level at COINZOOM. And as you can see, each membership level you go up, you actually get a better overall banking experience with COINZOOM. From the premium side, guys, if you look at the premium membership right here, you actually get Equity Prime, okay? This is actually one of my favorite services that we provide as a company. It comes with 3 different strategies: Trend Pro, Portfolio Pro, and Options Pro. A lot of people never got involved in the traditional equities market, like our parents' generation specifically, because it required so much capital. To trade options, minimum, you need like $5,000. So historically, most people never got involved in the financial markets. Well, now you guys are seeing so many millennials get involved in the financial markets. Why is that, guys? It's because of these micro investing apps, these Robinhoods, these Acorns, these platforms where you could literally start trading with just a few $100s. So you literally can trade ETFs, stocks, and options today, guys, with just a few $100s, which is pretty insane. Through one of these micro investing apps, you have the ability to copy and paste what our professionals are doing to get the same exact result. It's one of my favorite services that we provide as a company. You also do get SK Live Share, which is live educational sessions on that equalizer technology. So now you're going from premium to elite. And like I said earlier, guys, the elite membership is the most commonly purchased membership in iGenius, and there's a reason for it, and I'll explain it to you guys right here. You actually get access to the crypto elite software powered by Endotech. I talked about this a few minutes ago, but guys, this software, if you go to Endotech's website, it costs $125,000 a year to license. If you're an elite member in iGenius, okay, for $1,500, you get access to the software. That's insane. Okay, insane. Giving a retail customer access to an institutional grade product. So that's incredible stuff. You also get access to the Elite Advantage program, which is only for elite customers with exclusive benefits, promotions, special webinars, just special things the company does for elite customers. You also get the Elite Advantage luggage tag. So when you guys are traveling, you'll have a little Elite Advantage luggage tag on your travel bag, kind of like American Airlines and Delta have their levels. Our level at iGenius is the elite membership, and you get that Wallet Pro Black Card by COINZOOM, the one I showed you here, which gives you up to 5% cash back if you have the requirements met. $10,000 ATM limit, 50% off trading fees, and the whole 9 yards, the best banking level that CoinZoom actually provides. But why do I say the elite membership is the most bang for the buck and the most commonly purchased membership? Well, let's just say, for example, my buddy Mike, I don't know why I keep hitting that. Sorry, guys. My buddy Mike gets started on the select membership today. And let's just say I get started on the elite membership today. 30 days from now, my buddy Mike's going to pay $175 a month to get access to the services. And I'm going to pay $175 a month to get access to the services. But you see, my buddy Mike would only have half the value that I have. So that one-time difference in initiation fee unlocks the system for life, which is extremely powerful, guys. So that one-time difference, that one time a little bit more in the initiation gives you access to all the services that the company has, because no matter which membership you start on, select, premium, or elite, they're all $175 a month. Then we also do have this $99 subscription, guys. It's called the Choice membership. And this is like a starter pack. We never wanted to rule anyone out because of their financial situation. Would you guys agree with me? No matter what situation you're in, if you're looking to change your life, you can find $100. Would you guys all agree with that? Everyone with me on that? I'm thinking you can find $100 if you're looking to change your life, right? We all can do so. So we basically never wanted to rule anyone out because of their financial situation. And we have a really exciting, educational product suite that comes with this $99 membership to get you in the door if you are in a bad financial situation. But of course, like I said, the elite membership is where you want to go. It's the most bang for the buck, and it comes with a ton of value. You guys can also see, these choice, select, and premium memberships. I just wanted to mention this real quick. 90% of people who get involved with choice, select, or premium become elite members within 120 days. That's pretty insane. That's what the numbers show. That shows you guys that the elite membership has the most value. And when you get into the platform, people want to become elite members as soon as possible to get the full repertoire of services. And you guys also see right here, all of our memberships come with NDAO access. I'm going to explain what that is real quick. NDAO is actually the world's first adaptive digital currency. And as an iGenius customer, you get exclusive benefits to this currency that you can never get anywhere else. Our public company that owns iGenius, InvestU, was able to make a strategic relationship with the creators of NDAO, Onero, and really hook up a very unique opportunity where we can actually buy this digital asset from iGenius directly. Instead of buying the asset from, KuCoin or Liquid or Bittrex Global or one of the exchanges it's trading on, we can buy this asset directly from iGenius and buy the asset, like I said, below market price potentially, which is very, very powerful. You also get staking rewards by holding this asset within your wallet. And there's actually a protection plan that can protect 100% of your purchase costs. Think about that. That's insane. You can't go buy Bitcoin and have your money protected. Okay, if Bitcoin goes down, you're down, right? This has a protection plan, actually through a company called Total Protection Plus that can protect 100% of your initial purchase of the asset. Really, really cool stuff. Not going to go deep into it tonight, guys, but this is exclusive to iGenius customers. If you're a part of iGenius, you get this exclusive benefit. From here, guys, you guys are kind of in luck right now. We're actually running a special promotion, okay, where we're discounting all of our memberships. We've actually never done this as a company. So this is a very, very special thing that we're doing. You guys can see that elite membership that I talked about, that's typically $1,500. You guys can get it today for $1,300. So you could literally save $200, which we've never done this before as a company. So very unique opportunity, but discounts on all of our membership levels right now for this special Black Friday deal. From here, guys, you can also own a business with us. You guys could become your own boss and actually create an income with our opportunity as well, which is very, very cool. Not saying you want to do this, but if you are interested in it, it can be very beneficial for you guys. You guys know that 90% of Americans today are employees. You guys know that 90% of Americans today are employees. So 90% of people in this country do not have access to tax write-offs. Would you guys all agree with me? Does everyone on this call have a cell phone? Everyone have a cell phone, guys? Does everyone have a laptop or some way that they're probably on this call right now, right? Okay, let's say you have a cell phone. Let's say we have something called a home office. Let's say you guys pay for your internet and your phone. You guys have any furniture or office supplies in your house? Do you guys have you ever drove to talk about business? Have you ever had food and talked about business, guys? All these things can become tax deductions if you actually owned a business. As an employee, you do not get access to tax write-offs, but as a business owner, you do. Guys, this can put thousands of dollars back in your pocket each and every year. I'm not a licensed CPA, so I can't tell you exactly what it can do, but I'm just being honest with you guys. This can save you a ton of money if you get an accountant and understand the power of being a business owner. A lot of you guys probably hear on the news, like, this wealthy person doesn't pay their taxes. You guys hear that stuff all the time, right? Wealthy people pay so little in taxes. Guys, if they didn't pay their taxes, they'd go to jail for tax evasion. So they pay their taxes, but they pay as little as possible because they understand the tax code and they have the best accountants in the world. Why be mad at them? Let's do the same exact things ourselves, guys. Let's take control of our lives. So being your own boss can be very, very beneficial to you guys, just in the aspects of the tax benefits, and your iGenius membership is a complete tax deduction if you are a business owner as well, which is very, very cool. From here, guys, you can also share our business with other people and get compensated to do so. 85% of people on our platform are just happy customers using the service to benefit their life, the same way people pay for Netflix to entertain themselves, or Amazon for a better shopping experience. People buy iGenius's membership to have a better overall lifestyle through the services that we provide in 3 main categories, guys. All of our services do one of 3 things: help you make, manage, or save more money. Every single one of you guys want to make, manage, and save more money, right? I hope so. Because if you don't want to make, manage, and save more money, it's probably not the call for you. If your friends don't want to make, manage, and save more money, guys, I recommend you getting some new friends, right? If your family members don't want to make, manage, and save more money, it's a little harder to get some new family members, but it's probably possible, right? You got to get around people that want to win big, right? In life. That's the reality of it. You're around quality people, quality things happen. You're around bad people, bad things happen. Your parents tell you these things as a little kid, right? Hey, if you hang out with those kids, you're going to get in trouble, right? They tell you all these things, but that's literally how simple life is. If you get around quality, you're going to elevate. When I was 18 years old, guys, I got around some really intelligent people. So guess what? I elevated in life very, very quickly. And each year, I developed more and more skills to become the person who I am today, that lives the lifestyle that I live at 26 years old, because I educated myself and I surrounded myself with the best of the best. So if you guys want to elevate, I recommend doing that. But it's a very unique model that we have. I kind of like, Cash App or Uber. You guys know when you download those apps, they say you could refer a friend and get paid. We have a model like that as well, where you could refer a friend or a family member and get compensated to do so. And you guys can actually start creating passive residual income through our model. I'm not going to go into details with that tonight. I just wanted to share the services that we have and how it could actually benefit your life in a positive way. It was a privilege being with you guys. I'm actually going to throw it over to Josh real quick. I hope you guys got a good understanding of the services that we're providing and how you guys can start taking advantage of them today.
Sweet. I'll go ahead and spotlight my video for you guys real quick. Awesome. Cool. So obviously what you guys just saw is a platform that, me and you cannot move a video while people are spotlighted. Okay. Interesting. Obviously what you guys just saw is a platform that me and a lot of people, obviously, specifically one that just invited you to this call, are a part of, guys. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh Amson. I'm in St. Louis Park, Minnesota. So if you're in Minnesota too, what up? I'm probably pretty close to you, but I have been trading now just in general, 24 years old, since I was 18. So that's pushing 6 years. And I started with stock options when I was in college, and I had no idea what I was doing. Like most people, obviously, I just wanted to get into trading. I wanted to learn how to make money online. I've been obsessed with trying to find different ways to make money online since I was like literally 10 years old. And so that's kind of why I got into trading. Then I got into cryptocurrency. I actually made a cryptocurrency club at my school, my college, where I taught, tons of people out in North Dakota, basically how blockchain and cryptocurrency works, how Bitcoin works, and why we use it every single day. But what really changed everything for me, though, is, I had to get an internship to graduate college. I ended up getting one at Pepsi in Minneapolis. And I was sitting there working on a project, and I saw some guy trading in the office. He was trading off of his phone. I walked up to him, and that is how I got introduced to the Forex market, guys. And so I mainly obviously focus on cryptocurrency. That's what I like to participate in the most. And so I just kind of want to quickly cover some stuff, guys. Obviously, this is a financial literacy company. You can come from all walks of life and come here and learn how to actually manage your money. Think about how many people do not know how to use a credit card. It's ridiculous. It actually is. And it's because the school system is not going to teach you how to do it. And so it's really cool. Obviously what you're able to learn. This is a publicly traded company as well. It's so heavily regulated when it's a publicly traded company. And that's something that really obviously caught my eyes. But I've seen so many different, courses and gurus and stuff like that online, guys. But the thing that really, stood out for me is that there's options, ETFs, futures, and stocks, guys. You can actually learn how to trade on the stock market. The thing that I want to kind of cover on this call, I'm going to share my screen actually, is specifically the crypto automation. Okay. I'm going to actually show you guys the crypto automation right here. I'm going to show you the performance of this. Okay. I know there's a lot of analytical people on the call. I know when I first was on this call, I wanted to see the numbers. I wanted to see, obviously what the company was and really be able to actually dive into, how it works. And so again, Endotech is a third-party company that you get access to when you become a customer part of iGenius, guys. Okay. This is not iGenius's platform or business. This is a third-party company. So right here, guys, endotech.io, you can go ahead and look this website up yourself if you would like to. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you around. Okay. So obviously when you become an iGenius member, you get access to Endotech. Let's go ahead and go over to the portfolio. And so when you're looking at this, guys, what it's going to do is display different strategies, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum Bitcoin, guys. There's also XRP, Ripple. There's tons of different types of strategies that you're actually able to link to your cryptocurrency portfolio. This is, anywhere from Coinbase Pro, Binance US, Gemini. You're also able to do Bitfinex. There's a lot of different crypto exchanges that you can link your strategy to. The thing that's so cool about this, is it's literally automated. This is where you link it to your account and it is going to take trades for you every single day, throughout the week, throughout the month. It's going to take trades for you guys. And it's absolutely crazy. I'm going to show you a couple strategies, guys. Here's one that I'm currently using. What we're going to do is actually go to the performance tab. Okay. This is Ethereum/Bitcoin Alpha. Okay. Alpha is a more aggressive strategy. We're going to go ahead and click on it. Okay. They recommend that you start, this strategy with 2 Bitcoin, but you do not have to do that. The minimum you could put in is, let's say, $1,000. But if you go ahead and scroll down here, guys, let's look at the profit and loss calculator. Okay. This is literally the profit and loss. We're going to go to January 1st of this year. So if you were to put, hypothetically, let's say 2 Bitcoin into your account on January 1st of this year, all the way to today, November 14th, and we'll hit calculate, it would be roughly 6.7 Bitcoin right now, 236% off of this AI software right here for this specific strategy, guys. Okay. And obviously, it's done very well. Obviously that's a very nice percentage return, but I do got to mention, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Even though it's done very, very well, there's still a chance that, you can lose your money. That's obviously how trading goes. There's a lot of risk involved in investing, guys. And so that right there too, that result 6.7 Bitcoin, that is, before trading fees, that's before performance fees. That's not included in that result as well, guys. And so that's a strategy I currently use. If you go ahead and scroll down, I just want to show you guys another one. This is for private club members, but this one is just, very much more so aggressive. This is actually an Ethereum leverage 10 strategy. Okay. So this would be done on Binance. This strategy actually does require, a pretty big, upfront capital. That's obviously, why you'd probably start with 1,000 minimum one. But right here, guys, let's say hypothetically, January 1st, again, with this strategy, we'll go to the beginning of the year. If you were to start, let's say, with $10,000 with this strategy in the beginning of the year, again, this is a company you can do tons of research on. They have amazing, obviously, artificial intelligence strategies. We'll go ahead and click calculate though. It would be up 1,184%. Your $10,000 original investment would be $128,477, guys. And that's something I saw that just blew my mind. And so, obviously, if you hopped on the call because of obviously crypto automation, I'll tell you what, I've been doing it for a few weeks now, and it's just crazy. When you get into crypto automation, you're obviously having these positive results, which are, they're not guaranteed, but you get involved in the other things too. You start using obviously the COINZOOM card. You're able to, get 5% cash back. You start getting, stock of the actual publicly traded company. You actually start holding endowed cryptocurrency. With all these things kind of moving in a big ecosystem to help you win big. That's what the goal is. It's all of our goal is to win on a massive level, and with all these different tools and obviously moving parts, it's absolutely crazy, guys. And so people who are busy at work, people who don't want to learn how to trade, people that don't have time, old people, young people, all over the world can come here and put money into a crypto portfolio and have it grown automatically, guys. And so I'm just very, very excited and blessed to be a part of this opportunity. It's absolutely crazy. It's gonna be exploding here in the near future. This is kind of like finding Facebook when there was like 1,000 members, guys. This is absolutely brand new technology. It's groundbreaking. This is artificial intelligence, guys. And so, just kind of, wrapping this call up, what I want you to do, on this call is, obviously reach out to the person who got you on it and, just kind of, ask your questions, get them answered, stuff like that. If you have any questions specifically for me, because, we're going to be trading together. If you're going to be trading, I want you to also reach out to me on Instagram and ask me anything you would like, guys. I'm going to be here to help you. I've been trading for years. And I'll be able to connect with the person who got you on this call as well. And it's going to be an absolutely beautiful year. So with that being said, I appreciate you hopping on the call and I will see you on the next trade session. Peace.